class 9 algebra. The methods of solving simultaneous linear equation. How many methods we have to solve the simultaneous linear equation? Now we know the simultaneous linear equation means two or more equation with the same variable, like this. This is the first equation, and then plus b2y plus c equal to 0. See here, the coefficient may be differ two or more equation but the same variables. The variable is x and y. By this equation, if you two or more equation is given, how to solve this simultaneous linear equation? The simultaneous linear equation is always, otherwise we call it as a system of linear equation or a pair of linear equation. Here we have two different ways. One is a geometric way, another one is a algebraic way. In geometric way means we are using the graph to find out the simultaneous linear equation. That is the graphical method. One is the graphical method. In algebraic way, we have three different methods. One is substitution method. Second one is a elimination method. One is a substitution method, another one is a elimination method, another third one is a cross multiplication method. Method to find the ordered pair. These are the methods to find the single ordered pair of the given simultaneous linear equations. In graphical method means the given equation should be substituted x and y values. Here I choose one sum, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 5 is equal to 4. Let me take it as these two simultaneous linear equation. By you want to find out in the graphical method. Here we have two different way to find out in the graphical method itself. Let I take the first equation and second equation. For first equation, if when x equal to 0, in the place of x I put 0 means we get y is equal to 5. Right? If x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 5. Then the ordered pairs are 0, 5. And then the same one, compulsory we need 2 points. If you draw a straight line, means it is the linear equation, so we get only a line. So if you draw a line means compulsory we need a 2 points. 1 point is here. Now when y is equal to 0, let me take it as x plus y is equal to 5 means then x is equal to 5. Then the ordered pair is, first we have to write the x value and we have to write the y value. So these are the ordered pairs. So one of the way, by this way we can find out the two ordered pair, or otherwise we can take that x and y. Here x is equal to 0, 1, 2. In the place of x, by the equation x plus y is equal to 5 is the given. In the place of x I put minus 1 means then minus 1 plus 5 is equal to, I take this minus 1 to another side, right? Y is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And then x equal to 0 means we know that y is equal to 5. And then x is equal to 1 means, if I take this 1 to another side means we get minus 1, 4, 5 minus 1 is 4. For one of the equation. Next we take the second equation. Either in this way or another way also we can find out. When x is equal to 0, the given equation is 2x minus y is equal to 4. In the place of x is equal to 0 means the whole term becomes 0, then minus y is equal to 4, then y is equal to minus 4. Then the ordered pairs are 0, minus 4. When y is equal to 0, see 2x minus y is equal to 4 is the equation. In y is equal to 0 means then 2x is equal to 4, then x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then the ordered pair, first we have to write the x value and then we have to write the y value. The same can be written in the tabular form also. We can find out the using the tabular form. Either we can take the 1 to minus 1 or 2 to minus 2 like this. For this, if you choose minus 1, 0, 1, it's enough I think. Here the equation is 2x minus y is equal to 4. In the place of x I am applying minus 1. minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus y is equal to 4. I take this minus 2 to another side, minus y is equal to 4 plus 2. So sum of this number is equal to 6. If I take y is equal to minus 6, right? And then x is equal to 0 means we know we have find out that is minus 4, and x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means 2. If I take this to another side means we get minus 2. So minus y is equal to 4 minus 2, then minus y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 is the value. Y is equal to minus 2. Right? Now we have to represent this in a graph sheet. Graph means, let me take it as is simply I take the graph x, y, y dash and x dash. Right? Here we have y, we have the terms minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. In x we have only minus 1 to 1, right? Scale factor is x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. Simply I am doing here, or otherwise we want to use the graph sheet means, here let me take the graph for this. First, either we can choose this method or another method is this method. If you want to take the terms, I already told you, if you draw a line means compulsory we need 2 points. If 2 points is enough to draw a straight line, right? By here, the first one, the equation is, the plotting point is 0, 5 and then 5, 0, right? If x-axis 0, y-axis 5, the point will be lies on the y-axis. X-axis 0 means the point lies on y-axis, and then 0, 5. This point is 0, 5. Next one 5, 0. If the x-axis is 5, y-axis is 0 means the point lies in the x-axis, that is 5, 0. If you draw a straight line for this, the straight line can be extended. How much we need it? We can extend it because we have taken only 2 values. By this we can take minus 2, minus 3 like this, and then 2, 3 will be extended. So this line of equation is x plus y is equal to 5, the first equation. Next we have find out that here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 4. Another point is 2, 0, right? So x-axis 0, y-axis minus 4 means the point lies in the y-axis. This is 0, minus 4. The x-axis is 0, y-axis minus 4 means the point lies in the y-axis. This is 0, minus 4. And then the second point is 2, 0. Here this is x-axis 2, y-axis 0. Y-axis 0 means the point lies in a x-axis. Now we draw the line. It should be, I already told you, it should be extended. So it is easy way to find out that. See here the line intersected in this position is 3, 2. So this is the single ordered pair that should be solved both the equation. For example, now we have find out that 3, 2 is the single ordered pair. Right? See, 3, 2 is the single ordered pair. If you substitute in equation 1 and 2, the equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 5 is equal to 4 is the second equation. 3 plus 2, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. It satisfies. See the second equation, in the place of x I am going to apply that value 3 and then minus y, y is equal to 2, is equal to 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. It satisfies. So the single ordered pair 3, minus 2 satisfies both the equation. So this is the solving graphically. Let's see algebraically in next videos. Thank you, students.